In this tutorial, I will show you how to print your document in reverse order. This is our documents. Let's suppose this document contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages, and we want to print this document in reverse order. By default, the printer will print this document as page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, and then page number 5. And if you want to change the setting, like you want to print your document in reverse order, like you want to print page number 5 on first, then page number 4, then page number 3, 2 and 1. Then how to do this? Let's start. Go to File. In File, go to Option. In Option, go to Advanced. In Advanced, scroll down. Go to Print option. Here is the Print option. In the Print option, there is a box. This says print pages in reverse order. Look at this. Check this box. Check this box. Click on OK to apply the setting. Now if you print this document, this will automatically print in reverse order. Like the printer will print first page number 5, then page number 4, page number 3, page number 2 and page number 1. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.